Today we are upgrading our Surya Namaskar by adding two more elements which will target our hips, thighs, hip flexors and back. Hello everyone, welcome to Balanced by Hina. Today we are going to try a challenging new variation of Surya Namaskar. First of all, thank you so much for liking my previous video on Surya Namaskar. So today I am going to add two new elements. First we're going to work on these elements separately and then I'm going to put it together in the Surya Namaskar. For this, let's come up and stand on the mat. I hope you're excited. Let's get started. So let's start with our feet together. From here, you are going to imagine that there is a chair behind you and you're going to push your hips back and think about sitting on that imaginary chair. There should be no tucking in, so you should have that natural curve in the spine and you should be able to see your own toes. Arms will go up, your triceps are parallel to the cheek. Your knees are behind the toes and you should be able to see your own big toes. So that's your chair pose or Utkatasana. Let's move into forward fold. From here, let's inhale into chair pose. And as you exhale, go down into forward fold. Let's do this 8 times. You're going to slowly inhale, chair, exhale, go down. 7. Every time as you move into chair, you should be able to feel that engagement in the glute and thighs as well as your core. Last 4. 3. 2. We're going to hold on the last one. And let's go chair and hold. Stay there. Maintain that posture. Knees are behind the toes. Palms facing upward. Very good. Going into forward fold and relax. So have some space between the legs. Hold your elbows. You can bend the knees and just relax. Excellent. Let's move on to our next pose. So slowly take your hands up towards the ceiling. Go down towards the forward fold. Now bend both knees, place full palms on the ground and take your right leg back. Place the knee on the ground this time and take your hands up towards the ceiling. Bring the hands down and bring the leg back. Do the same on the left leg. Take it up and come forward and back. Now again we will do this on our inhale. On one breath, inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down, leg forward. Inhale, leg back, arms up. And exhale, arms down, leg forward. Okay, let's do one more time. As you go into your Anjaneyasana pose or low lunge, you have to make sure that you're not just sinking into the hip. You're actually engaging the core as you do this pose. Similarly on the other side, again not sinking, you're engaging, pulling the belly in, arms up, hands down and back. So let's speed it up and do 5 more times each side. We start with 1. 2. 3. Let's go again. Inhale 3. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 4. 1 last. 5. Good. Let's go on the 6th one as we hold the pose. Stay there, engage the core, keep your back bend supported. Chain side. Very good. Let's move back into your child's pose. Now we are going to add these poses to our traditional Surya Namaskar. So let's come up and stand at the top of the mat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms up, chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, right leg back and arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, knees, chest and chin on the mat. Inhale, up into cobra. Exhale, back into down dog. Inhale, right leg forward, arms up. Exhale, arms down and left leg forward. Inhale, up into chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale all the way, arms up. And exhale, prayer position. Let's move on to the other side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise into chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, left leg back, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, right leg back. Knees, chest and chin and the mat. Exhale. Inhale, up into cobra. Exhale, back into down dog. Inhale, left leg forward, arms up. Exhale, arms down, right leg forward. Inhale, up into chair. Exhale, down into forward fold. Inhale all the way, arms up. And exhale, release. Excellent. That was one round, guys. And we have 4 more to go. Good. Let's start with the second set. Initially, the breathing pattern might seem a little confusing, but you don't have to worry. You just focus on the sequence and breathe normally. Later, once you get familiar with the sequence, the breathing will come naturally to you. There is no holding of breath in this sequence. So just keep breathing and keep flowing. Both the additional poses, that is chair pose, Utkatasana, and low lunge pose, Anjaneyasana, target your pelvis griddle. Means your core, back, thighs and glutes are working harder. So this is a very good Surya Namaskar variation for the lower body engagement. If you're looking for something in which you target your lower body even more, this is the version for you. Take breaks if you need in between the sets, otherwise just keep flowing. You don't have to match my pace, you can go faster or slower. We have 3 more sets, guys. Let's complete it. So this is the last set, guys. Let's push through. Awesome, guys, we did it. So let's move into a small stretching sequence. We're going to lie down on the mat on our back. Hug your right knee in towards your chest, and from your left hand take your right knee to the left side and twist. Make sure both the shoulders are on the ground. Knee may or may not touch the ground. Stay there and breathe. Slowly coming out of it. We do the same on the other side. Hug your left knee in and twist to the right side. Slowly coming out of it. Hug both your knees to your chest, lift up your head and chest, and then try to straighten the legs and see if they go over the head and maybe touch the ground. If this is too difficult, you can just support the back and place the knees on the forehead. And then slowly start rolling out of it, and let's come up and sit on the mat. Excellent job, guys. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I am all red. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and I'll see you in my next series. Till then, bye bye. Take care.